Welcome back. Glow Recipe just launched a new sunscreen. What's new in it? Let's check out. The Watermelon Glow Dew Balm SPF 45 with niacinamide is an absolute game changer. It's like a refreshing burst of hydration and protection rolled into one convenient stick. The combination of niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and squalene not only keeps my skin moisturized, but also works wonders on reducing hyperpigmentation and evening out my skin tone. Plus, the watermelon scent is a delightful bonus. I love how it glides on effortlessly, leaving behind a dewy glow without any greasiness. And knowing it's ophthalmologist approved makes me feel even more confident about using it around my delicate eye area. At $30, it's definitely worth every penny for the daily dose of hydration, nourishment, and sun protection it provides. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours for maximum effectiveness. Highly recommended.